Hi everyone, this is Taha, and in this video I will show you how you can use this freelance OS Lite template for free, which is available on Notion Marketplace as well as Gumroad. So let me just give you a walk around on how you can use this template and what are the key features of this template. So there are three main databases, which is Projects Tracker, Task Tracker, and Notes Tracker. So you can manage your projects, tasks, and notes in this template. So this is Projects Tracker, all projects, and let me just create another view, which will be in progress, right, with a filter of status in progress, right? It could be delayed or without delay and on hold, just in progress, right? So these projects are in progress. Let me just add another two in progress, and now we have three projects in progress. And any notes you can add related to a project. For example, this is a project 6, note 6. If I add another project, maybe 7, I can add a new note 7 or maybe 7. Yeah, so it's a side project. And is there any task related? So let me just go to task tracker, and here are all the tasks with statuses: assignee, due date, priority, past due, time required. You know how much you can spend on this task. For example, if I create a new page, new database, it will take maybe 5 minutes for me to set it up. You know how much time it will take. So now you can also add a new note related to this task, and you can choose this task to add on a project. It could be project 8, or I just want to create a new project just for this task. Let's say project 9 or 9. So now I have created a new note and new project. And let me just go back. I will see now that we have created project 9, and if we move this to maybe on hold, it will be shown on project 9 on hold. And now if we go to notes tracker, you can see all the notes related to any project and any task, and this is the status, and this is the last modified of that note. So for example, if we add a description here, just copy this line and paste it again. If it is not updating by itself, I can just add a new property of last edited time. So this is automatic, and you can add tags for this note as well. Maybe it could be a personal note, it could be an idea, anything, right? And okay, so let me just delete it. All notes and by projects, right? Okay, so now on the main page, you can see the projects by timeline, active projects, and all projects. Active projects have a filter, which is status. All projects, either it's delayed, on hold, or in progress. And all the tasks, if it is pending, and all the tasks, the filter is set to in progress, and to do is pending and on hold and active. And here are all the tasks, which you can also go and see in the task tracker as well. And here are all the notes. These are just the linked views of the same databases, which are Projects Tracker, Task Tracker, and Notes Tracker. And you can also use the quick actions button, and I can click on this button and add a new project, click on this one and add a new task, and capture a new idea as a note. And once you are downloading this template, you just have to remove this and start using this template, right? So I hope this template will help you in future, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.